So to take first place among all the ROTC teams in the nation, felt really good.
The University of Central Missouri's Fighting Mules Battalion sent 12 ROTC cadets to Washington, D.C. to compete in the 2024 Army 10-miler. 8 students raced in the team competition and 4 ran as individuals. The race is held each fall in the nation's capital with more than 35,000 runners and 900 teams participating annually.
Just being able to realize, hey, we did it this year. We beat out all the other teams. Was just really, especially for the ones of us that did it last year as well, that got second among them all, come back and get first. It was just awesome. They're like, hey, the hard work paid off. We were able to get out there, get it done, have fun while doing it, and grow together as a team.
I've done this a couple times now, and I love the atmosphere that it brings in DC because it's just something so different. Like they said, there's 20,000+ people out there running. And then you run along the National Mall, you get to see all the monuments there. Those are memories that'll stay with me the rest of my life.
The Fighting Mules finished first among all collegiate ROTC teams in the United States. They placed third in the Military Academy and ROTC team category, trailing only the West Point Gold and West Point Black teams.
The leadership qualities and skills that you can really gain from this, especially as a captain role. For me, it's like delegation, it's communication, it's sticking with my captains and making sure that we can get this done in the short amount of time that we have. It's keeping each other accountable, gotta be responsible, you gotta push yourself. I'd say one of the biggest goals is to beat one of the West Point teams. With the team that we have and the quality that it is and the fact that so many of our good runners are freshmen or sophomore, it's looking really good.
Dustin Brockmiller and his teammates are already training, with their sights set even higher for the 2025 Army 10-miler race.
Next year's goals, obviously, we got the best ROTC squad in the nation, but I think next year's goals are to beat some of the West Point teams, if not win it all. To be able to come out overall on top would be great. So just gonna have to find the guys, get the training in, start something out.